The next exercise 2.3, it's the first question. 3x is equal to 2x plus 80. Find out its solution of this equation and check your result. Look at this equation. Two sides of this equal side. Look 3x and here look also 2x means two sides variable. Both sides are variable. So first we this variables you write on one side and other side you write constant. Then look here, this 2x. Left side we can write variables numbers. Then 3x and this variable number go to which side? Variable go to left side. So positive sign. What is its sign? Positive. So positive change into negative. Then negative 2x is equal to right side which number? 80. Then look 3x minus 2x is equal to which number? 3x minus 2x is equal to 80. Then 3x minus 2x is equal to x. X is equal to 18. So 18 is the solution of this equation. Then this is the solution of this equation. Then our result which number? Our answer is 18. So check our answer. Here look how to check. Then first look LHS. Then we can apply the value at LHS side. LHS is equal to which? 3 x. So what is the value of x? Value of x is equal to 18. Then this place of x we can write 80. Then look 318 is equal to which number? 54. Then LHS side we get 54. Then next we can check RHS. Look 2x plus 18. This is RHS side's expression. Then we can apply the value at the place of x. Then 2 into 80 plus 80 is equal to look 18 2s are 36 plus 80. What is answer? 54. Then look LHS side 54, RHS side also 54. Therefore our answer is correct. Here LHS equal to RHS. Therefore answer is correct. The next, is it clear? First we find out the solution of the equation and then after we check this equation. The next question number 2. Question number 2. 5t minus 3, 3t minus 5. Look, 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Then variables we can write left side 5t. This 3t go to which side? LHS side. So positive change into negative 3t is equal to right side negative 5 and this positive 3, positive 3 go to right side sign will be changed. Then we can write transposing three t to which side? LHS and negative 3 to RHS. Then 3t minus 5t minus 3t to t means 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 and t is equal to negative 5 plus 3 negative 2. Then 3t is equal to negative 2 by 2. What is its answer? Negative 1. Then the solution of this equation is negative 1 and you can check its answer. The next, then question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 and same as first and second question. Then you can find its answer yourself. Next question number 6. Look, 8x plus 4. Question number 6. Eight x plus 4 is equal to 3 bracket which number? X minus 1 plus 7. X minus 1 plus 7. Then 8x plus 4. Then first we can solve this bracket. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into negative 1 means minus 3. Then plus 7. Then next, this variable go to which side? LHS side. Then 8x, 3x positive, so negative 3x is equal to negative 3 plus 7. Then positive 4 go to which side? RHS side. So negative 4. Then we can write transposing 3x to LHS and 4 to RHS. Then look, 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x is equal. Then negative, first add negative and this negative 4 which number? Negative, negative plus negative, negative. Then we get its answer negative 7. Negative 7 plus positive 7, what is its answer? 0. Then x is equal to 0 by 5 is equal to which number? 0 divided by 5 is 0. So its answer is, solution of this equation is 0. Then you can check this, apply the value at the place of x and you can check. Look, how to check? 8 into LHS, look, 8x plus 4 is equal to x which value is 0. So 8 into 0 plus 4 is equal to 8 into 0, 0, 0 plus 4. So answer is 4 here. Then RHS side, look, RHS. Then 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into negative 1, negative 3 plus 7. Add these numbers. What is its answer? Positive 4. So here look, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore our answer is correct. The next, question number 7. Look, x is equal to x is equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. Look, here we can cancel this 5. Here this 5 is cancelled from this side. How to cancel? Means multiply by 5. Then look, x here which side? Right side. Right side we multiply by 5. Both left side also multiply by 5. So we can write 5 into x, 5x. Then is equal to look for multiply 5. 4 by 5 multiply by 5 which number? This 5 cancel. So here values which number? 4 into x plus 10. Is it clear? Then we can write both side multiply by both sides. Both side multiply by 5. Then 5x is equal to then 4x. 4 into x, 4x. 4 into 10, 40. Then now look, this 5x and this 4x, which side? Right side. So this right side 4x go to left side. So positive sign change into negative. So 4x is equal to which number? 40. Then 5x minus 4x, which what is answer? X. X is equal to 40. Then what is the solution of this equation? The solution of this equation is 40. Then you can check its answer yourself. Then next one more question I will do for you. Question number 8. Question number 8. Two x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 50 plus 3. Then I look this variables number, this number and this. So 2x by 3. This number, this variable go to which side? Left side. What is its sign? Positive. Positive change into negative. 7x by 50 is equal to 3 and this 1 go to which side? Right side. So positive change into negative. Then transposing 7x by 50 to LHS and 1 to RHS. Then look here 2x denominator different, so we can write its same denominator, multiply by which number? 5. Look 6 5x and here also 5. So we get 10x minus 7x by which number? 50 is equal to which number? 3 minus 1 which number? 2. Then remove, cancel this 15 from this equation. How to cancel? Multiply by 5. Look 10x minus 7x by 50. Multiply by 50. And this side also multiply by, right side also multiply by 50. Then this and this cancelled. So we can, this 15 and 15 cancelled. Balance which number? 10x minus 7x which number? 10x minus 3x is equal to 15 2s are 30. Then x is equal to 30 by 3 is equal to which number? 10. So value of this equation is, which number value of this equation is 10, and you can check its answer. Then balance all the questions. How many questions balance? Look, this exercise 2.3. You should write your fair copy. Then okay, thank you.